Hello everyone, me and my dog Ruby. I'd like to show you a little bit of software. She's just under the camera here. She's mad because it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm supposed to be in bed. But I just wanted to get this video done real quick here to show you something I just completed, which is some Lisa Office System, what is the Apple Lisa operating system software. It is a terminal program which allows you to upload and download files from a modern computer such as a PC or a Macintosh, or to go out and browse BBSs if you have a Wi-Fi modem, or if you actually have a working legitimate old-style modem and a phone line, I suppose. And so that's what it is. And I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough, and you can decide if it's something that interests you and you want to download it and try it on your own Lisa or Lisa emulator or Lisa FPG, whatever you do your Lisa stuff with. So it's already installed on this profile hard drive, but let's go ahead and get rid of it so we can start from the beginning here. So you'll download the floppy image from Lisa List 2, or it'll be on the Lisa Gaming share on Global Talk, the Global Talk Vintage Macintosh and Apple network. If you don't know how to get on Global Talk, Google it, DuckDuckGo it, whatever. It is amazing, and it's a great network to be on for doing vintage games and sharing files. And I'll probably end up putting it other places too, but those are the places that I can guarantee you it'll be on at least sometime by tomorrow. If you happen to be watching this video really soon after it comes out. So you mount the floppy image, and with a Lisa, if you drag, it moves. If you want to copy, you have to select the icon of the application. Oops, I didn't mean to launch it. No, hold on a second. Defective demonstration here, folks. Sorry about that. Let it launch here, then I'll quit it. There we go. Alright, so where was it? Oh yeah, you select the application. Don't double click like I just did. Choose duplicate, and then you get this weird little flashy thing. Drag the weird little flashy thing to where you want it copied to. And then this is a 1980s vintage computer and operating system, so it's going to take a little while for it to do its copy. I should have had some elevator music on my phone to play over the video while we waited. Oh, there we go. And now we should be done with the floppy. Eject the micro diskette, the Lisa Office Systems word for a floppy. Let's launch the application. I'll just walk through the features, give a quick demo, and let you get on your way. All right, we're in. So let's take a look at the menu items. It says X modem here for receiving and sending an X modem protocol file. You can also do Y modem. It also supports Y modem batches. List files will list the files on the volume that you're currently on. You get a similar list, and you can choose the number if you're going to upload a file. Do a cue here to stop. There we go. Clear screen. Make things tidy. Terminal, put you in terminal mode. There it is. Let's up the baud before I forget, because my modem is set to 38.4. Now 38.4 technically is faster than what Apple says the Lisa serial port is supposed to use, but I haven't been having any problems with it so far, knock on wood. So cool beans. We'll hold off dialing here in just a minute. Hang up is self-explanatory. If you download something you don't want, you can go in and delete a file to make some room, and you've already seen the clear screen. Seen the baud setting. Version, we'll tell you about the version. Some couple tips about dealing with the modem. My dog is tearing something up. What are you doing? Hey, stop that. It's past our bedtime and she's getting ornery. That's what you get with cattle dogs. All right, where were we? Oh, yeah. Don't worry about the font survey. That was just a little test for me to work out what fonts would be best for bulletin boards. Needed some equally spaced words and properly sized. That may come out eventually. And I think that's it. Let's just take it for a spin here. Clear the screen. We're already in terminal mode. Just do it again for fun. Choose dial. Oh, I forgot to show you bookmarks. We have a whole list of places that you can already bookmarked for you, and you can edit and put your own bookmarks there for going to different BBSs. So that's what we get when we choose the dial function. So let's clear the screen again, try one more time. Now I'm going to be using a Wi-Fi modem. Alternatively, you could use and I've got a video out on YouTube with the beta when I was first working on this program that shows how to use a serial connection between the Lisa and a modern computer and this program, or at least the beta version of this program, to send and receive files. I don't know where I set mine, but you can get a USB to serial cable for a few bucks off of wherever you want to buy your cheap computer accessories. You will need an adapter because the Lisa is a 25-pin DB25, not a DB9 like most all of these that I could find for sale are. And so the adapter is going to be a few extra bucks to get you. Make sure you have the right male or female ends. I ended up having to wait a few extra days because I wasn't paying attention to that. Or you could use this, which is a Wi-Fi modem. It emulates a Hayes modem from back in the day. And connects you wirelessly to the internet to do your modem connection as it emulates a modem. So this one is made by Retro Discs, and it's been working great for me. Very, very happy with it. So let's turn it on before I forget. There we go. Now I should have seen a menu pop up. I've got it set for 3,800 baud. Let's try a dial and see if that works. I'm surprised I didn't see the menu here. It is not liking the 3,800 baud right now. I did set it to 38. Let's go ahead and hang up. What's a demo without something going right? I'm going to change the speed on this to a different speed here. Let's go back to, 9600. There we go. And let's change our baud here to match. Try it again. There we go. Connecting at 9600. Now, I found that this particular BBS, when run at 9600, it doesn't fill out the screens. It's impatient. And so you don't get the menus very well. So this probably isn't going to be the greatest demo, but it'll be enough to give you the idea of what's happening. again. Whoops. Another splash screen here. And then you'll see here eventually what I was talking about, where at the higher baud rates this BBS fills out a lot better. I haven't had this issue with other BBSs, at least not yet. See there, it did quite fill out the page. When I was running at a higher baud rate, I had no problem. Alright, so this is your general BBS stuff. Here we finally make it to the main menu. And didn't quite make it to the end of the main menu, but that's okay. We'll go to the file transfer section. We don't want to see the new files or libraries. We just want to download a file. Alright, so let's hit D for download. Now I have a name of a file. Let me type it in here. Here it is. Yep, I typed it in correctly. Yay. Now, this software supports X modem, which isn't a choice here. Also supports Y modem and Y modem batch. Don't do the Y modem G. Y modem 1K is going to be the best for this software. Don't want to hang up. By the way, just hit Apple T to get the terminal after the download to go back into the software. Alright, so now it's wanting us to do the receive. We'll let it name it. And here it comes. Now at 9600 baud, this is going to take a little while. Maybe if you're lucky, while I'm editing the file, I'll speed this part up, so you won't have to wait as long as I'm waiting now. Maybe I should play some elevator music on my phone while we wait. There we go. So that's it. We downloaded a file from a BBS on a Lisa operating system with Lisa. All right, so that's it. You know, we could do batches and stuff like that, but you can figure, if you're interested in the software, you'll figure that out. There's a README file. Have fun. All kinds of neat stuff you can do. Let's go ahead and hang up. Well, actually, let's do it the nice way here. Let's go ahead and tell it that we're going to hang up. So Apple T gets you into the terminal. I hit too many keys there. And then we're going to go ahead and leave. I thought O was for signing off. Maybe I'm wrong. Yep, there we go. Log off, yes. It's neat because they'll give you some other recommendations for other BBSs, and they're different every time you sign off of this bulletin board, which I think is cool. And we're disconnected. And hang up. And Bob's your uncle. So I hope this has been entertaining, and maybe even you'll find this useful. So again, you can get this software on Lisa List. I'm going to upload it tonight. Well, it's pretty late. Let's say tomorrow morning. And then I'll have it on the Global Talk Lisa Gaming share probably later in the day tomorrow. So by the time you're watching this video, if it's not out there, and it almost certainly is, just wait a little while and it'll be up. Thank you, and have a great night or day or whenever you're watching this. Take care.